Now let's see where we are and what we're doing. Oowah Lake Campground. This is a fee campground, $10 a night. You're on your, it's an honor system, and for honored passes, $10 a night for these people. And you just put your money and fill out the envelope, and there's a little space right over here that you put it. I got some trails walking up there. Let's take a look at the lake. It looks like everybody's gone from these sites. I'd like to run my generator for half hour, an hour. We're down here fishing. We'll take a look. Down there. I'm going to try to walk the dogs off leash here, but I brought the leashes with me, so we'll see. I asked her, we'll see in a little while. Are you coming, Dee Dee? Are you coming? Fellow camper there. Fellow campers there. Coco. 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 Good girl. Good girl. No, I think Dee Dee went over there. I don't think anybody's home. But still, come on. I got my hiking boots on and my backpack too. Just like I'm actually gonna do something. I love you guys. Right here, but these kind of look more like tent sites up. Oh, they're up there. Yeah, they are tent sites. Just follow Coco, she'll show you where they are. Picnic table up there. I guess we won't be going up there because we don't have. I know this is a beautiful lake, isn't it? Wow, wish everybody could experience this, but that thing is really interesting. Seriously, you gotta roll around. Water goes out there. There's some kind of a thingy, folding box maybe, I don't know. And then if you come around, it comes out there. But I want to know what feeds into them. Very interesting. This is, I don't know. You see, it's a lake, beautiful lake. And they said that it was stocked with trout, rainbows. I guess you throw them back in. I'm up here with a tent or car camp. There was the girl that car camped last night right in the site next to me. Then there are pit toilets here. And there's a day use place there. And this is a Forest Service Department of Agriculture truck. And could be they're gonna tell me my dogs can't be off leash. Oh wow. Stupid enough that I don't tape these encounters, but I just talked to that man. He said there are a whole lot of little tributaries that come from the mountain down there, and they control it from that thing I showed you. And the lake, they control, you know, how deep it is, how big it is, and then it goes, flows down, and there's a river down there. Yeah, and this one kind of, we have instructions here. Boren Mesa Trail number 37, Clark Lake Loop Trail, 144, 3/4 of a mile. That's not bad. Geyser Pass Road, 2.5 miles. But look at the trail going up here. I don't think so. It's only over here. There's a hammock. It looks like it's full. Coco's gonna check it out. Really a chicken shit, but doesn't that look full? Looks like there's a piece of, oh, I see a hat now. And the shoes right there. There's somebody in that hammock. I'm not going over there. Nope. Hey, person in the hammock, are you okay? Yeah, I'm good. Okay, just wanted to be sure. Okay.
You look pretty mellow. Yeah, you do. like that.
Yeah, they are. Just had to wrestle her for that. Yuck, and that's what she rolled in. The fish. And you missed the whole having to wrestle that dead fish head out of Dee Dee's mouth. Oh, gross. And I think she rolled in it too. I have some spray. It gets smell out of dogs. I guess we got enough trouble down here with all these people. I guess we'll go back home for a minute. Coco is going to find us. This is kind of our maiden boondocking. And since Dee Dee rolled around and said fish, and tried to grab one and come away with it, I guess I'll go get the brush and have some spray to put on dogs to get rid of the smell. So I guess I better do that first before I let her go in. I'll get them some water first though. Coco's. I saw that. Dee Dee's still down there hiding. Are you coming up here, baby girl? Huh? Come on. She's like, no, forget it. I still haven't got any poof on her. I do have to do that for sure before we go inside, just in case she smells really bad of fish. Dead fish. If you were here, we could have a cup of coffee. Or, you know, maybe a little toddy.